Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I will discuss on how to create a program that will insert an asterisk symbol in the middle of the given string by the user using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So basically guys, I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. It is free to download in the internet. So we have here two library file, header file, IOString for input output in string using namespace std int main. It is the starting and ending point of execution in every C++ program. We have here the begin curly bracket left, and then we declare two variables, the string str given and integer. So we have here the new line number 12, the title of our program, \t horizontal tab, insert asterisk at the middle of a string in C++. We have here two new line, give a string using getLine to get the given string that will store in str_given. What is good about this function getLine, this belongs to your string library, is that it will accept including the namespace between the word. Let's say for example computer space science, it will accept. It will not cut it off. A equals _given that length, get the length of the string and then divide by 2, and then str given that insert a function in string a, and then we insert 5 asterisk symbol, and then we have your new line display \t horizontal tab str_given new line end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then new line here, and then we close the body of our main function with the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to, kindly see in the video description for the link. Okay, go to execute, compile and run. Let's say give a string, let's say Bacolod. Okay, so it will insert the 5 character in the word Bacolod. End of program. Another example, let's say programming. It will insert 5 asterisk in the word programming in a program. Okay, last example, science. Okay, it will insert 5 character asterisk in the word science, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on insert an asterisk at the middle of the string in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.